Welcome, students, to our potions class. I'm Professor Lucy. Today we are going to make a love potion. See how it churns and boils? We are also going to learn how to make some fabulous potion jars that you can keep in your wizard room. So let's get started. To make the love potion, you'll need to have a tall glass jar, vegetable oil, water, food coloring. If you've got glitter, that's nice. And then you'll need some Alka-Seltzer tablets. Now you can get the store brand of antacid tablets. Just make sure the package says effervescent tablets. So we'll start by filling up your jar about half full with oil, and then you're going to add some water, filling it with about 1 inch of space left at the top. Now watch what happens when you add the water. You'll notice that it doesn't mix. That is because water molecules are polar molecules and oil is nonpolar, so they won't bond. Okay, we're going to add some food coloring drops and then your antacid tablet, and watch what happens now. Now, Alka-Seltzer contains citric acid and baking soda, so when you drop the tablet in the water, the acid and the baking soda react, creating carbon dioxide bubbles. And as they go around, the bubbles will rise to the oil, grab the food coloring, and make the colored bubbles. So now we're going to check it out in slow motion after we add a little bit of glitter. There it goes. Check out those bubbles. Okay, after we watch the bubbles for a little bit, we are going to make a layered love potion. Now with the layered love potion, we're going to learn a little bit about density. We're going to be using a variety of liquids that have different amounts of density, so the more mass the liquids have, the heavier and more compact they'll be, and that'll help us get the layered look of the jar. So you can choose from any of the liquids that are on your instruction sheet, and we're going to add a little bit of food coloring so that we can tell the different layers apart. So in a little dish, you can add the liquid and then a bit of food coloring. We found that liquid food coloring tends to work better than the gel food coloring. So just put a little in a container and mix it up. Then you're going to get your tall jar and a funnel if you need it, and we'll start filling it. So we put ours in with the densest material first. So we started with some Caro syrup. And then as you add extra liquids, tip the jar to the side. If you run the liquid down the side, it won't mix up so much with the liquid that was placed in before, and you'll get better layers. So our second layer was hand soap that we had added some color to. The third layer is water. The fourth layer is baby oil. And the last layer is alcohol. So you can see which liquids are the most dense. Then if you want to put a label on your potion, you can put a cap on it and keep it in your wizard room. Hope you had fun in our class today, students. Have fun at Owl Camp.